Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone are doing good, right? Yes, welcome to computer class. As TT2 test is arriving soon, so we have to prepare ourselves for the test, right? So that in today's class we will be revising whatever we have learned in our previous classes. So this is the revision class. For TT2 test you will be having Chapter 2 Roles of Computer. Chapter 2 Roles of Computer. Note this, students. For TT2 you will be having Chapter 2 Roles of a Computer. First I will be discussing the question paper pattern. Then we will be discussing the important topics in this chapter. In the first main you will be having tick, right mark, that task that computer can do for us. You have to tick the right mark, the computer, whichever the task that computer can do for us. Yes, for example, I will show you here. Yes, you can see this picture, right? In the first picture, a lady is washing the clothes. In the second picture, a boy is writing something on the book by using pen. And another picture, in the third picture, we have sending letters from post office. Yes, all these things are the which is the computer can do the task for us. We have to identify. Can computer wash the clothes? No, right? Computer cannot wash the clothes. So it is wrong. So I won't do anything there. So next one is a boy is writing something on the book. By using paper, book and pen he is writing. By using keyboard we can type on the computer. Even though we cannot write on the computer, we can type something on the computer. So computer can write for us by using keyboard. So that is a right answer. So I will take it with the right mark. And in the third image we have sending letters. Even though we can't send letters through the papers, we can send messages or send mails to our friends or whatever for whom we want to send mails. We can send all those things by using computer, right? So that is also right answer. So I will take it with the right mark. Like this, you have to identify the images that computer can do for us. In the second main, you will be having complete the following crossword puzzle with the help of given picture clues. We will be giving the pictures. There will be a clues with some words. We will be given the clues. And you have to fill that columns. Whatever it is not filled, the missing letters, you have to fill it with that. For example, you will be having like this. In the first, you are having a music symbol. See there. Music starts with M letter and ends with C letter, right? So in between what it comes? Music spelling. M-U-S-I-C, right? You have to fill that. By using U-S-I, you have to fill that. So there it completes the word music. By looking at that picture, that is the clue given to you. By identifying that clue, you have to fill that. In the second one, you are having a letter symbol. Yes, you have to write fill the letters of the spelling. And third one, you are having Chota Bheem and Doraemon. That indicates the cartoons, right, that we watch on the TV. You can also watch cartoons on computer. So you have to fill them as cartoon. And the fourth one, you are having the symbol as game. You can, by using joystick, you can play the games, right? So you have to fill the spelling with game. So this is how you have to do. If you write the answer also, it is fine. Okay. In the third main, you will be having write T for true or false, F for false statements. You have to write T for true or F for false statement. The statements will be given to you and you have to read that statement first. Read the statements first. If it is correct, write T. If it is wrong, write F. For example, we can type on the computer. Can we type on computer? Yes, we can type on computer by using keyboard. So it is the right answer. So I will write as T. Like that, you have to read the sentence and then identify it is a right statement or wrong statement. If it is wrong, write F. It is right, true. And in the fourth main, you are having rearrange the following jumbled letters to make it meaningful words. Rearrange the following jumbled letters to make it meaningful words. A word will be given with a jumbled letters. It is not arranged properly. So to make it meaningful, you have to arrange those words in order to make it a meaningful word. For example, you will be having as given, you can see here, you are having the spellings as RCAHES. So you have to arrange that word in order to make it a meaningful word. Let us see what is the answer. Answer is search. SEARCH. See whether all the spellings are included there. Yes, we have included R, we have included CAHES. So that makes a word search. So in the fourth main, you will be having like this. Read the sentence properly. When you want to identify like these words, you have to read all the letters, learn all the spellings properly. Whatever I have given in the worksheets or whatever I have told in the classes also, you have to learn it with the spellings. In the fifth main, you will be having filling the blanks using the words given in the clue box. In the clue box, I will be giving number of words. So you have to read the questions. So there is a blank space. So you have to fill it with that using the clue box. So for example, you will be given a question like this. A computer can play dash for you. What can computer can play for you? We have many advantages or the uses of the computers. We have learned already the roles of computer. So computers can play music for you. Know the difference. Computer can play music for you. Computer can play games with you. So you have to identify the correct word there. We have finished discussing the question paper pattern. Now I will be discussing the important points in this chapter. So computer is very useful machine. So we make use of the computer and do many things on the computer. What are the uses of the computer? We can type the documents, we can solve some, we can store our data, or we can listen for the music, we can send the messages to our friends, and we can play the games, and we can search the information using internet and send or receive mails, or we can chat with our friend. If my friend is staying so far away from me or staying in some other place, we can't meet them. So what I will do, I can chat with them using computer or the mobile. Now we are using the mobile and we are chatting. Like this, we will be having number of advantages or the uses of the computer. So computer, we know that computers are used in different places. In schools, to store the student details, to make presentation, to make you more understand. In schools we will be using, and when you come also to paint, all these things will be using in the school. In the office, to send or receive mails we will be using, or to do the presentation, or to store the company details. All these things in the offices also they will be using. In the bank we are using to store all the customer details. Whenever I give my account number, bank persons will be knowing all the details will be stored in the computers. Whenever I go and give them my account number, they will search how much money I have deposited, how much money I have taken, how much money is balance in the bank. All these things will be taken care by the bank people. By using computers, they can maintain the customer details very easily. So it is one of the very useful machine that they are using everywhere. And in supermarkets, why they are using in supermarkets? To store, to generate a bill instantly. So whenever the people are taking some products from the market and they are giving in the billing section. In the billing section, just they scan the product. So all the details will be displayed on the monitor screen, and you will get the amount of the price of the product there only. So they can generate the bill easily. And in hospital, as we have already discussed, in the hospital, as doctors cannot see whatever is happening inside your body. They can't see in bare eyes, right? So they will scan yourself, and then they will look in the computer. So they will be knowing where exactly you are facing the problem. And in railway station and airport, to book the tickets or to cancel the tickets, or when the train is departing and when the plane is departing, or when the plane is arriving, all these things will be tracked by the computer. So computer is a very useful machine. So I want everyone to read the chapter once, answer the question whatever is there in the textbook, work out the worksheets, then learn everything with the spellings, so you can attend the test very easily and score good marks. All the best for the test. Do well in the test. Study well for the test, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.